Well, Carol, 2 weeks. That's how long upstate doctors say we may have unless folks start wearing masks and social distancing to turn things around.
At the end of the day, we're trying to send a message as much as anything else. Get people in the habit and the consistency of using it.
Masks aren't mandated everywhere in the city of Greenville, but Mayor Knox White and the upstate doctors at today's COVID-19 press briefing say more people should be wearing them. The city just launched their new Mask Up Life is Waiting campaign with photos of an athlete, a bride, a business owner, and a mom, all wearing face coverings. New data from Prisma Health Upstate shows an uptick in COVID-19 cases after Memorial Day. And doctors today say unless the community starts taking the pandemic seriously, hospitals will run out of resources.
With this rate of rise, our capacity declines every day across the entire upstate. And it's at a rate of rise that we're seeing inside of Prisma, Bon Secours, ANMED, Spartanburg. We talk at a minimum of once a week. Our capacity is rapidly reaching its limit.
How close are we? If it continues, if nothing changes, if no one masks up, how close are we?
We could probably hit the limit of our capacity in 2 weeks.
And for the first time this year, we got an answer to our question about COVID-19 tests. How accurate are they?
Andrew, so there are probably over 100 tests out there, and they all have different performance characteristics. The tests that we're specifically using within the health system have sensitivity rates, which means how accurately it picks up the disease, between 95 and 97%. Dr. Wendell James from Prisma Health Upstate was one of the doctors you heard from in that story. Now, he says he's not in charge, but if he was, he would close beaches and bars. And he also said, when I asked about whether or not he'd recommend parents at this current time sending their kids to school for 5 days a week face-to-face classes, he says he'd really encourage everyone to wear the face mask, to social distance. He tells me if we don't do this, it will be very difficult to see returning back to in-person school later in the fall. Live in Greenville, Renee Wunderlich, WYFF News 4.